Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have 20 or so amazing new tool deals to share with you. And while you're here, don't forget to check out the 4 category pages on the top of the website. A ton more deals posted on each of those. Also, don't forget to enter the latest Struggleville loot box giveaway. We got a jump starter, an endoscope, a patriotic magnetic wristband, rotary tool, some other stuff. One lucky human will be winning that, and it ends in a couple of days. Now, the first amazing deal, we have the LED work light rechargeable 750 lumens with a magnetic-based USB charge cable by Kinos. It is 50% off, so normally $12.50 isn't awful just to begin with, but then 50% off, so what, $6.25 or so for this guy. You have the little, I think that's going to be a dial on it. I have one that looks very, very, very similar, but a different brand. But you can't beat $6 and change for an LED work light. The only thing that I would say is maybe the battery life won't be as great, because somewhere they're saving some money being able to get the price down that low. And you may be able to crack it open and put in something with a little bit better capacity. I'm assuming it's going to be a 18650 in there, but who knows. Either way, it's hard to beat $6 for a LED work light. Here we have the Sonix 7-piece long reach pliers set. It's currently on sale for $59.84, being a 7-piece set that's under $10 a piece, which is pretty amazing. I bought these a couple of years ago, so you can see a quick video showing those. Home Depot has them for $80.74, Lowe's $94.98. So they're all the long reach. You have the straight ones, the 45s, and the 90s. You have 3 sets of the hose gripper pliers, which once you have those, you start using them for all sorts of things because they're really convenient the way they wrap around. And I can give you one example is the TV cable adjustment on my 700R4 in the Caprice. There's a little recessed button newer ones are easy. Older cables, they're kind of stuck and it's hard to hit the button. And you can't use regular pliers or anything because it's recessed in. So the way this thing is curved, you can get in there and hit the button and make the adjustments. This one right here. So just one example of it, not a hose, but it worked perfectly every time I got to adjust that damn thing. And then we have these diagonal cutters here, which, just a long version of, the same of a short one, but just longer. They come in this plastic case. It's not the most robust thing. It's going to crack and kind of break up, and I don't have mine in there anymore, but for a time, it was a nice way to hold them. Here we have a deal by Best Equip, and as far as I can tell, Best Equip is the same company as Happy Buy, as Mop Horn, and Vavour. It's either the exact same company or at least the same people doing the promotions for the company. 6-inch heavy-duty bench vise, double swivel rotating vise. It's 30% off. Starts out at $106.67. It has a lot of really good reviews. 343 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. The 30% code goes through the 18th. The hard thing with vices is the quality and durability is like the entire value of the vise. You get the Harbor Freight ones that are like $20. Or you can get, another brand like a Yoast Vice or something. Get one of their made in the USA ones. I don't know if they're still making them in the USA, but they used to. It's 3 figures. So all you can do is go off the reviews, I guess. Take a look at the listing and the bullet points if you think it's worth it for you, but 30% off. And next up, 9-inch woodworking vise. Heavy-duty steel and cast iron workbench vise. Easy to operate. Durable woodworking bench vise. This is Mop Horn. 40% off. Normally $47.99. And that's going to go through Christmas. Merry Christmas. Now Vavour. So basically the same company. 3 different names. 3 different deals in a row. Manual arbor press, 1-ton, heavy-duty, 4 5/8 inch maximum height, manual desktop press, cast iron. It's 50% off, $68.99. Maybe like what, $35? Goes through the 31st. That's a really good deal if you have a use for it. $35. Amazing deal. absolutely amazing. Now, this is through the Sun Joe or Snow Joe, whatever they call themselves, store on eBay. It's not a third-party seller. It's directly from them. But on eBay, we have the Sun Joe 24 volt amp cordless. That makes sense. HVLP handheld paint sprayer kit. I like the comma usage with 4 amp hour battery and quick charger. So it's $41.50. Now, if you already have tools in the 24 volt lineup for Sun Joe, Snow Joe, this battery works with a bunch of other stuff, and it's hard to get their batteries because there's just not a lot of third-party eBay or Amazon sellers that have these things, unless recently there's been an explosion of them, because I've had these batteries for a couple of years now with my little snow shovel and cordless snowblower and stuff, and when I needed additional batteries, it was cheaper for me to buy an additional shovel, one of those powered shovels, than it was to just get the battery. My point is, $41.50 if you need the battery is actually a good idea, even if you don't care about the paint sprayer. Now, to compare, through Snow Joe's actual website, it's $159. Home Depot's $144, and Lowe's is $159. You're also getting free shipping on eBay with that. And this is just one of, it was 30 or 40 items that is currently on sale through the Sun Joe, Snow Joe store. Another mop horn. Woodworking lathe chisel set, 8-piece set. High-speed steel. Wood turning tools with a wooden case. They are half off. Normally $60, down to $29.99. That's supposed to go through the end of the year here. But an amazing little deal if you have a lathe. 250 amp MIG welder welding machine, 3-in-1, 220 volt flux core gas solid wire welding machine with LGBT inverter and torch. Digital MIG lift TIG stick multi-process welder by Vavor. They had a lot of stuff if you notice, and some pretty good prices. $309.99, but they were taking 40% off. That's going to go through the 17th, so they have a couple of days to take advantage on that one. Got the cabinet hardware jig cabinet hardware template tool, adjustable punch locator drill guide sleeve cabinet jig. That was a mouthful. By Zero Top. 40% off. Not sure when that expires, but it's working right now. You also get the little automatic center punch with my PSA that says don't test it on a plastic shelf. It'll blow a hole through it. It's stronger than you think, or stronger than I thought. $18.98, 40% off. Now we got a little bit to go through here with the welding helmet, okay? This is by Safe Up. It's a welding helmet, solar powered, auto darkening, hood, 2-arc sensor, adjustable, wide shade, okay? $35.99, 50% promo code makes it like $18. Not sure when it expires, but it's working right now. But it's sold out. Now, wait a second. The black one's sold out. There's another one on the page that is orange and white. So when you click on that link, it's going to automatically take you to the other one. That's what Amazon does. When there's multiple variations on a page and one of them sells out, it automatically redirects. So it's not the wrong link. Amazon's redirecting. The orange and white one, the promo code works. I think it was the same price. There's also another black version. I did not check if the promo code works for that one. So if the orange one sold out or you just like the other black one better, you can go ahead and give it a shot, see if it'll work. But 50% off. Definitely works for the orange one. And who knows, maybe this black one will come back in stock. Here we have the 350-piece heat shrink butt connectors. Tinned red copper. Marine grade waterproof by KF Sipatek. It's 40% off, already on sale down to $20.99 for 350 pieces, and then 40% off of that. So a really amazing deal. Crimp them, heat them, watertight, ready to go. I really like this one. We've seen different variations from this N Senior company. This one is the retrofit for the recessed lighting. It's a 12-pack, 5-inch, 6-inch, dimmable. You can even select the hue so it can match what you already have or just whatever your preference is. So if you already have recessed lighting, you just take out the existing bulb, remove the trim ring that's on it now, you screw this guy in, slap that up there, and now you have a nice updated LED without having to screw around with taking out the whole canister and everything. $69.98, but we're almost going to cut that in half with a 40% promo code, 5% coupon. So $40, probably $38. And that's for 12. That's not a 4-pack. It's not a 6-pack or an 8-pack. That's 12. 6 for you, 6 for a friend. Share the wealth. We got a Meta Boo Boo. 18-volt, multi-volt, cordless triple hammer impact driver. 4-stage electronic speed switch. Comes with 2 batteries. It's only $99. Now that's price matching with Lowe's. So pick your poison. But a good deal on the Meta Boo Boo. Northern Tool has the Milwaukee 12-piece Sawzall blade set. It's $19.99, but it also ships for free. Comes with a handy-dandy case. You get a variety of blades there. Acme Tools also has it for $19.99, but you're going to have to pay for shipping about $6 or so if you get it from Acme. Home Depot, $31. Tool Up, $40. So half the price of Tool Up. Plus, Tool Up's not going to give you free shipping. So really good deal if you need some reciprocating saw blades and you want to stick with one of the known brands. Back to Amazon, they have the Skill 14-amp plunge and fixed base router combo. Look at all them reviews. 1,200 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. It's currently on sale for $119 on Amazon. Everyone else has it for $149. That's Lowe's, Acme Tools, and Tool Nut. So it's not the hugest deal that we've ever seen. But that's still, it's saving you a few bucks on a quality tool. So, not everything can be 80% off. 4-pack, colorful, retractable utility knife, heavy-duty aluminum shell box cutters. Comes with 5 hook blades, 5 trapezoid blades. This is by Kada. $9.99, 50% off. So $4.99 for 4 of them. You're basically $1 a piece, plus some blades. And these are good beaters. Loaners, beaters. You got to do some hammering on the backside of it. You don't have to mess up one that you really like. Got some Duratech deals, some Great Star tool deals coming up. 3-piece adjustable wrench set, SAE and metric. Scale marked. 6, 8, 10-inch with the pouch. 40% off. $24.99. Not a fan of adjustable wrenches. I don't care who's making them. I don't want to use one. But I guess they have their place every now and then. We have a crimping tool kit, ratcheting insulated terminal crimper with 100 terminals by WorkPro. 50% off, $24.99. It's going to be $12.49. Amazing deal getting all those connections plus the ratcheting crimpers. Ratcheting crimpers are amazing. Work perfectly. Get a nice solid crimp and you don't have to worry about the connector falling right off. How many times have you done that? You try to crimp it, you don't have the right crimpers, you give it the big squeeze, and then you give it a little tug and it just falls right off in your hand. Like, you son of a bitch. Not going to happen when you have the ratcheting crimpers. We got 14-piece female E-Torx star socket set, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2-inch drive by Value Max. Starts out at $16.99, taking about a third off with that 30% promo code. Comes in the handy-dandy case. Depending on what you're doing, you may not use them every day, but if they get you out of a bind just one time, they paid for themselves. 6-piece precision screwdriver set, Phillips slotted magnetic screwdrivers with innovative ratcheting setting, magnetizer, and storage bags. Another Duratech deal, 30% off, goes to the 20th, starts out at $18.99. They have a couple of different variations of these. They have full-size screwdrivers that are ratcheting, and they also have the stubby screwdrivers that are ratcheting. Now, I own the long-handled ones, and I have the stubbies. I don't have these, but what I can say is I really liked the ratcheting mechanism on the long-handled ones. I've used a lot more than just the stubby ones. But I managed to break them. So it's mostly my fault because you say, well, you dumbass, you know. Have you ever knew you needed a different tool, but the wrong tool was in arm's reach and you thought, it's good enough. This will be fine. We just got to do a little of this and it'll be okay. So I did a little tappy on the handle of the full-size ones and I broke the ratcheting mechanism. Now, that's how I say, I liked them at first and it's mostly my fault they broke. Like, would they have broke if I just used them as a ratcheting screwdriver and didn't take a hammer to the handle? Maybe. Maybe. Might have been my fault. Anyway, them being precision screwdrivers, you're probably not going to hit them with a hammer, so I think they'd be all right. Plus, it's going to be just lower torque in general, and we're taking 30% off. So we're going to go over to page 2 just real quick. I only have a few things I want to show you over here. We have the Allen wrench set, 27-piece long arm ball end, 30% off by Work Pro. Started out at $17.99, goes to the 20. You even get the little handle guy. How amazing is that? All split up. Handy dandy organizer. Here we have a hatchet and machete with sheath. One-piece camping axe, fixed blade hunting knife with rope handle. 8-piece camping set by Swiss Tech, and it's 40% off. Started out at $36. Going to be $20-ish now. You even get the little LED headlamp to go with it. And your carabiners. Now here we got a lot of options. Lots of options. It was actually posted yesterday, so hopefully nothing sold out because I know it was pretty popular yesterday. 50% off the Swiss Tech fixed blade and folding knives. Now you could also buy multiples, as in multiples of the same knife, or you can mix and match other knives, but the promo code works for as much as you are interested in. So $9.99 for this folding knife. Then we have another variation that is also $9.99. Completely different folding knife, $9.99. And you had to get another completely different knife, $9.99, half off. Now here's your fixed blade knife. It's $1 more at $10.99, but still half off, making it $5.50. So some really amazing deals, maybe some good Christmas gifts if they will still arrive in time, which, pretty good chance of that. And then one more here. It's only 45% off. I guess they couldn't be troubled to make it also 50% off. That last 5% was going to break the bank. It just couldn't happen. They could not allow it. So this one's only 45% off. Starts out a little more to begin with, $16.99. Now here we have the Universal Handgun Cleaning Kit, 16-piece cleaning kit with cleaning rod, bore brushes, gun cleaning jags, my favorite kind of jags, cleaning patches by Swiss Tech, and it's half off. Normally $16, going to be $7.99 right now. Comes with the handy dandy case. And if you don't like that one, let me show you this one. Swiss Tech Universal Gun Cleaning Kit, metal brushes, gun cleaning tool set for pistols, hunting handgun, shotguns, rifles, travel size portable case. Starts out at $26. We're cutting that one in half as well. So $13. Costs a little more, but maybe you'll like it better. 18-inch heavy-duty pipe wrench, adjustable plumbing wrench, malleable cast iron handle by Duratech, and it's 30% off. Starts out at $28, knocking off about a third. Goes through the 17th. And if you don't like that one, we got the offset 10-incher. It's only $14.99, but then 30% off of that one. That's a pretty good deal there. And the OBD2 scanner, I actually didn't even check this, so I don't know if it's still good. It would only be $11.99. Pretty basic. It's not going to do all the amazing things that the $100 or several $100 ones will do, but it'll get the basics out of the way for you. So there it is, guys. I will have all those links down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.